Ugh, God, Tinder blows. All of my Animal Crossing villagers are so cute and so nice. I wish I could just
Wish dating could be different?
cuter,
More relaxing?
more animals.
Well, now it can be! Introducing Animal Crossing New Connections.
Nintendo's new DLC for Animal Crossing New Horizons allows you to finally date your Animal Crossing villagers.
Raymond and Marshal, my dreamies!
And now there's new dialogue options so you can let your villagers know how you really feel.
Hey Raymond, I'd really like to catalog your
But it's not only villagers that you can romance.
Why does KK Slider look like that?
And you can have relationships between characters, too.
I don't think this is such a good idea.
And new outfit options to help you show off your villager's sexy side.
I don't think I like this. Marshall and I have been dating for 3 months now. It's going really, really well.
Animal Crossing New Connections. Because we know you're lonely. And probably a little bit of a furry.
Not spicy enough.